Hi, I'm Todd Amazine. I've been an internet business consultant for 15 years. I'm going to show you how to check Outlook email remotely.
Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Activesync are both registered trademarks of the Microsoft Corporation, a company with which I have no affiliation. We're going to check our Outlook email remotely by synchronizing our Windows desktop with our PDA. The first thing we need to do is install Microsoft Activesync. You can install Microsoft Activesync by either using the CD that came with your PDA or other device, or you can download it from the Microsoft website. If you don't know where to find Microsoft Activesync, you can do a Google search for Microsoft Activesync, and you should be brought to this page. Now we're going to click on Skip Overview and jump to Download, and then click on Worldwide English. Now we're going to click on Download Activesync 4.5 without newsletter registration, just to speed the process. And finally click on Accept and Download. You'll be prompted to save the file, and then you should open it to start the installation process. Once the installation is finished, click on Finish, and you'll have to restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, launch Microsoft Activesync by either clicking on the icon on your desktop or by going to the Start menu and choosing Microsoft Activesync. Now what we need to do is create the connection between Microsoft Activesync and your PDA. The simplest way to do that is use the USB cord provided to you when you got your device. Plug that USB cord into your computer and also plug it into your phone or PDA. When you plug it in, you'll see that Microsoft Windows creates a connection first for your device, and then Microsoft Activesync attempts to connect to your phone. If your phone is locked, you'll get a message saying that your device is currently locked. Simply unlock it by typing in your password on your PDA. And you'll see now that Microsoft Activesync will launch the Smartphone Sync Setup Wizard. You can simply click on Next. Choose the types of information that you want to synchronize between your PC and your smartphone. In this case, we want to make sure to synchronize email. We'll click on Next. We'll click on Next again. And then we'll click on Finish. Once we've clicked on Finish, every time you plug in your smartphone to your PC, Activesync will launch, and it will copy the emails from Outlook on your computer to your smartphone.
You've just learned how to check Outlook email remotely. I'm Todd Amazine.